Right, you know we've got roast chicken for dinner. I am the man who does the seasoning. So in my bowl I have some kosher salt, some ground black pepper and some garlic powder, just mixed up. I've already seasoned the inside. I'm not going to use any oil, but as you can see I've cut the bag open so we can try and save on some mess.
Oh, sorry, something caught in my throat then, obviously. Don't be rude.
You'll have Bridget on the go. So there you go.
Just
So,
thought of you not making a mess.
never make a mess. And obviously when you do this you're not putting your hands back in. And then you can use what falls on the bag.
And it is important to season inside and both sides of the meat.
Lovely. I'm going to use it all. Put it on there like that and rub it in.
Oh, look at the
Rub around
action.
the breast. Yeah. Anyway, I've finished seasoning my old bird. She's now ready to go.
Right, what next? What are you doing there?
I'm tucking the wings in, but I'll probably have to do that again before we, because they'll stay.
Okay, is
under.
there a reason in particular you tuck the wings in?
Yeah,
Don't be rude.
no.
Why? Right,
I
no.
might put one of our rubber bands on there to get the legs in, depending, because we've not done this in there before, so I'm not sure how much room we've got. So I may stick a rubber band on there just to keep the legs crossed.
Okay, good move with you
Okay.
around.
Okay, not bad.
Right, we'll be back.
We'll be back. Right, going to set up the meter probe. I've seen the block in the previous. You don't have to use this, but I've put my iPad on just so you can see what I'm up to. I'm going to set up the cook, poultry, chicken.
Oh, top one.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got my wrong glasses on. What temperature do you want on?
68.
68.
Remember, it will carry on cooking.
Yep. And I'm going to push start cook. And I'm now going to push this. Don't push it. Don't force it. Let it happen naturally. Because it will surely happen when it was meant to be. Okay. I know it's getting a bit boring now, isn't it? That? Right. What I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to put it in to see where this sits. So I know where to put this. So, which one do you want it in? This one?
In one.
And as I say, we've not done this before, so this is all new. So I'm going to put the chicken in.
It's just to make sure that the meter itself isn't touching any of the hot bits. Am I right?
Yep. Now, there's the thickest part of the breast. So I'm going to go in at that angle. And there you go.
Okay. But I wanted it on the sling so that making getting it out easier. But I'll do that, don't worry.
Okay. Cameraman, back up. Right, there you go. My work here is done. So, you won't see me again now because I'm going to watch football. Up the Gunners.
Up yours.
Bye bye all.
Well, we're all seasoned. We have put a sling underneath. Just makes getting the chicken out when it's cooked a lot easier. So I'm going to go in with that and switch on. and we're going to go roast. I don't want to go air fry. We'll go at 180, and I'm going to start at an hour. Okay, 1.5 hours. No, I'm not. An hour. Press start. Obviously the meter will tell us when the chicken is cooked. I've got the potatoes that are going to go into this basket. Then when the chicken is cooked and I've taken it out, I'm going to go in with some other bits. Okay, excuse me, I meant to say this timer will tell us how long roughly there is to cook, but once the chicken's been in 30 minutes anyway, I am going to pop the roast potatoes into basket 2. And in actual fact, I'm going to do that now. Right, what I've actually done is I've put the potatoes in and I've stopped it and I'm sinking them so that once this has had 30 minutes, my potatoes will start. See, it says hold. So that's what we've done. Potatoes for air roasting. In here I have a little bit of oil, some salt and some pepper. Here I have some potatoes that I parboiled for 10 minutes. That's 10 minutes after they come up to the boil. I've drained them, I've put them in the pan, given them a shake, and they're going in here. And then I need to get some cling film or something to cover the top. And we're going to give them a good old toss around in the oil and the salt and the pepper. Right, and then we just leave those until it's time to cook them in the air fryer. Right, potatoes, as you know, have been parboiled and put in tossed oil, salt and pepper. And if I put them in there and I set up for 30 minutes, and what we're going to roast, we're going to go higher for our roasters, and we're going to go for 30 minutes. Now, as you can see, there's only 12 seconds to go, well there was, till this side has only got 30 minutes left to go. This is on hold, so any second now, there we go, we have come on and we will be cooking our roasties. This dual sink is just so clever. According to our meter, the chicken is almost cooked anyway, so we're at 65 degrees. I will be taking it out at 68. But it's still good to use the dual function just to show you all how it works. So, yep, impressive. There we are at slightly under 35 minutes. We are being told to remove from the heat. So our chicken is cooked. Right. Oh, yeah, that's cooked. Look at that. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and rest it on a plate.
Got it out, right?
Yes, it's out.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Looks good.
Right, chicken out. Now this is why I put the sling underneath it. So I've got hold of both bits of foil. I can let any drippings fall into the drawer, because these are so easy to wash you wouldn't believe, and then safely pop it onto the plate. So that is why I do use a sling. How good is that? Okay, so chicken will rest. everything is cooked, so I'm just going to pop the Yorkshire puddings in to reheat. I know it says 12 minutes on there, but don't take any notice of that. The potatoes have cooked, the chicken is served, so next time you see this dinner, it will be on our plates. Yorkshire puddings to go on, and then some gravy. But the chicken was cooked in the Ninja, the roast potatoes were cooked in the Ninja Jewel, the Yorkshires were, as you've seen, cooked in the Ninja Jewel. So, I don't think that's too shabby, do you? So, there we go. The vegetables were cooked in the microwave. A Sunday roast, cooked fully in the Ninja Jewel, and if I'm going on looks, I'm impressed. Just take Steve's through and we'll be back. Here we go, dinner cooked, so I need to try, don't I? First off, I'm going to try one of the potatoes because they do look good. And they are crispy on the outside and fluffy in the middle. And these are the 90p potatoes from the Just Essentials range, Asda. So it's a bit warm, so. They're good, but I need to sprinkle a little salt. Yorkshire pudding. Oh, yes. Perfect. Liking the look of this. So, there we are. Not heavy, not airy-fairy and blown away. Just the right texture. And now, of course, the chicken. And the chicken was cooked in about 35 minutes. There it is. So. It's so moist. It's unbelievable. Right. So, that's our roast chicken dinner, cooked on the whole in the Ninja Jewel. It's the first roast dinner you've been on the journey with us for. We have done one when the children were down from Scotland. I did a turkey roast and it was beautiful. But I didn't do Yorkshires then, so I'd just like to say thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with Pen, and I shall see you all again very, very soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen, and quite a lot of the time Steve. If you've liked what we do and want to see more, then click here.
And if you'd like to subscribe, please click here.
Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
Keep cooking.